Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the outer door panel on your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Open the dishwasher door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread all of the screws holding the inner and outer door panels together. Note the length of each screw and its location on the inner door panel. Remove the top middle right screw last. Slide the outer door panel up to detach. Lift off the control panel, and you can fully remove the outer panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the door latch so you can rest the control panel on the floor. Set the old outer panel handle side down on a towel or blanket. Using the Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the screws securing the handle. This may require some effort. With the screws unthreaded, remove the handle. Prepare the new outer door panel for installation by aligning the handle. With the mounting plates positioned, thread the 2 screws into the upper holes in the handle to secure. Now install the outer door panel by first positioning the control panel. Connect the wire connector to the door latch. Then slide the outer panel onto the inner panel, making sure the lower tabs rest behind the hinges. Replace all of the screws in the appropriate locations, starting with the long top middle right screw. Turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.